Hello, today we will guide you through how to set stop loss in Quantower. In this walkthrough, we'll move from opening the platform to activating the stop loss tools on your chart, and then we'll follow the on-screen prompts to place the stop exactly where you want it. The goal is to help you protect your positions with clarity and confidence. Start by launching Quantower on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and connections. Once the platform is open, head to the upper left corner and click the Quantower menu. From there, open the chart panel. This brings up a price chart where you can manage orders visually, which is the easiest place to configure a stop loss. With the chart visible, look to the top right area for the trading toolbar. This toolbar contains quick controls for placing and managing orders directly from the chart. Click the trading toolbar to ensure it's active and visible on your chart. Next, select the option labeled SL or stop loss within that toolbar. Turning this on tells Quantower that your next action will define a stop loss level. You'll typically see controls become available to set a price or distance for the stop. This keeps your risk management tied to the chart you're looking at, so you can line up the stop with recent highs, lows, or other technical levels. Now follow the on-screen procedure presented by Quantower. Depending on your layout and broker connection, you may be asked to enter a specific stop price. Choose an offset in ticks or pips, or confirm a distance from your entry. If you're placing the stop visually, hover over the chart until your crosshair is at the price where you want your protection to sit, then confirm when prompted. Before you finalize, double-check the symbol, account, order quantity, and the stop distance so it matches your risk tolerance. When everything looks correct, confirm the action on screen. After confirmation, you should see a stop loss marker on the chart, typically below price for a long position or above price for a short position. This visual marker helps you verify that the stop has been placed. If the platform provides a status or order ticket, review it to ensure the stop is active. If you need to refine the level, use the same on-screen controls to adjust or cancel as appropriate. That's it. You opened Quantower, brought up a chart, activated the trading toolbar, selected the stop loss option, and followed the on-screen procedure to place it. Use this flow anytime you want clear, chart-based risk control for your trades.